Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. The battery in this 2018 Toyota RAV4 is located right here under the hood and is easy to get to. Before we begin, start by checking the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions so you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and can safely replace the battery. Let's get started. Today we are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer memories alive while the battery is being replaced. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and tuck it off to the side. Next, remove the plastic protective cover and loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. Now we can remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to remove the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Now, remove the battery hold-down bracket. Be sure to hold on to the J-bolt while doing this. And then remove the battery's heat shield. Now we can remove the old battery and install the replacement battery and the battery heat shield. Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket and J-bolt. And reinstall the fasteners. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal.
But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage.
And tighten the fastener. And replace the positive protective cap. Finally, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.